My WAEC, sir. You call this a result? F9 parallel torí Ọlọ́run. Even Yoruba.
Oh my God.
You will end up in Tantalizer. Whoa, you are making noise without orange, you are slicing, no? Let me have peace of mind. If you want to make noise in your results. Sorry, sir.
Jesus is Lord.
FFO.
Oh my God.
If only you can be serious with your books like this.
Hey!
Sit down. See. He can't even eat properly. No wonder he failed WAEC.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
What are you doing with remote? Nothing. Is it your F9 you are trying to change? Don't mind him. My friend, pass me that remote. Sure, take sir. At least you can pass something.
Ó já mi lára.